Hi there, it's Alistair from Starting a Shopify Store from Scratch. So today all I want to do is quickly run through the last of the items on your navigation menu, and today just going to quickly skim through them. We're not going to go into too much detail because these are things that you're going to be creating and working with as you get products and customers in your store. So let's quickly go through orders. Orders are something you can do to keep track of what's happening in your store with customers. You'll need to have a plan in order to manage any orders coming to your store. So once you've gone through the setup of your store, you've decided to continue with the trial, then you'll need to come here and decide on which package is the right one for you. I would suggest the $29 one to start with, as you start making money, so you can slowly upgrade your store. There's not much you can do right now until you've actually selected a plan. Once you've done so, you can also go in, create orders and invoices. You can take orders over the phone, you can email invoices out to your customers and collect payments. You can also manage any abandoned checkouts to prevent people leaving your site without actually completing the checkout process. Let's go into products. Remember yesterday I showed you how to use Oberlo to import a product into your store. There it's sitting there in our inventory. Let's go back to products quickly. You can always import with a CSV file, and you can always export. Plus you can do other things, like just go and find more items through Oberlo. Once you click on this button, it's going to take you into Oberlo. Oberlo will then take you into AliExpress, from where you can go and choose whichever product you want. And remember, you click on the little green button at the bottom of each image to add it to your store. Once you go back into your Oberlo dashboard, you'll see that there's a place where you can just import from Oberlo into your store after making a few tweaks. Let's have a look at transfers. If you're going to be managing your own inventory, you can track and receive any incoming inventory from suppliers and your different locations. Then you just add the transfer into your store. Under inventory, this is where you get to pick a location and update any inventory that you have in stock. Remember, we talked about categories of products. This is where you create your categories, but within Shopify it's called a collection, which is basically the very same thing. A category is a collection of products. In this instance in Shopify, it's a collection. And what happens here is when you create a collection, let's quickly see if we can do that. Let's go and say dresses. That's the name of our collection. You can do an automated collection to let Shopify decide what to add, or you can manually add it. You can add an image here so that you know what your collection is about. Go click save. You see right there, now that we've saved, it tells you that you can add this collection to your store's menu. You click on there and update it. So now we want to go and look for a product to add to this collection. There's the woman's sweater. Click on it, click add. It's added to our collection. Let's add it to our menu. Add it to our main menu. Then we want to add it we're looking for the collection. There's the dresses. Add. There you go, it's in our menu. You can just quickly edit that, make it a capital. There you go, we've added that collection to our menu. We're going to go into the store just now and have a look at it. Under your products, you can offer gift cards, but in order to do so, you need to upgrade your plan. As you can see here, you can sell gift cards to your customers. They're a great option for people who want to buy a gift but aren't sure what to get. So provide them with the option to get gift cards. There you go. You can give gifts to everyone, issue unique codes, and give instant delivery. It will go straight through via email and explain how they can get the gift card. Under the customers tab, this is basically you get to see what your customers do in your site, what they bought from you before, and this allows you to customize future emails exactly for that specific customer. You can always import your customer list if you have one. It makes it very easy to build your customer database. Under analytics, this just gives you an overview of what's happening in your store. Look at your sales, your sessions. That means how many people have come into your store to have a look, how many people are returning, how many orders have taken place, what's your average order value, your conversion rate, which means how many customers saw your store, how many people clicked on an image, and how many people actually converted into a sale. Top products sold, how much traffic you're getting, how many stores, how many people are visiting from a specific location, what devices they're using, if you're getting traffic from social media, how your sales are happening, by which traffic source, how many landing pages have been viewed, how many sales have taken place from social media, where people are being referred from, and what sales are attributed to your marketing activities. Within analytics, you can go and pull your sales reports, where your customers are coming from, what your profits are, who your customers are, what your finances are looking like, and what behaviors are taking place within your store. You can also look at your marketing, your inventory, and create custom reports. You also get to have a live view of exactly what's happening in your store right now. Let's go into marketing. In the marketing section, you can set up marketing automation. Marketing automation basically means you attract customers, pull them into an email sequence or a messenger sequence, and you can promote to them over and over again on automated email sequences. As I said, you can use Facebook, Google, you can create campaigns and automate everything. What I suggest is you have a look at some of these plugins that they recommend here. It's a great way to build your business. Automation takes a lot of the grunt work off your hands and allows you to focus more on marketing, while the automation takes care of nurturing your customers into sales. You can offer discount codes. You create them here, and it's a great way to boost customer conversions and help you reward loyal customers so that they can keep coming back for more and more. If we look in the app section, You'll find that there are many apps that you can use, many apps that allow you to extend the functionality of your store. I might in a future video make a recommended apps list, but for this moment in time, I think getting started with Oberlo and starting to get products into your store is the most important thing you can do, and start marketing your business. Implementing marketing automation is also a great thing to do early on. Let's have a look at a plugin I recommend you do. I would suggest Seguno. Seguno allows you to send automated emails after a customer takes specific action in your store. They express interest, they'll be segmented with a tag and send emails specifically related to the products that they are interested in. So all you do is you install the app, and there you go. All you then do is set up email marketing within Seguno to get started. When you start up with Seguno, it'll take you through the whole setup process. It'll teach you everything you need to know. There's training sessions and everything else you need to know how to use the app. There you go. You can add more banners and things to your site. You can actually interlink products within your store. They show you how to set up newsletters, automate everything, and create content. So that's it for this video. I think we have now wrapped up our store. Let's have a quick look at what it looks like. So here's our store. Remember, we did the quick addition to the menu earlier on. So if we go and click on dresses, we should see the product we imported from Oberlo. And there it is. So you go and click on the product. Just remember, as you can see here, it's showing in my local currency. You must make sure that you change your currency to your local environment, and make sure you put on a decent markup within Oberlo. So there you can see it looks great. You can view different options. I think it looks awesome. Look at the grey color. Look at the sizing. To me, it looks great. So very clean. People can add it to your cart, continue shopping, etc., etc. So there you go. You've got a functional store now. People can go and shop with you, provided you've integrated payments. Go into your Oberlo, into your Shopify dashboard, and go scroll down and learn some more through the Shopify Academy. They'll take you even further and teach you even more. I also suggest you find Oberlo and subscribe to their blog, and also look at their training, as well as going to Seguno and also learning from them. I think it's highly important that you do all of this before you actually launch your store. Do all of this stuff, learn as much as you can before your 14-day trial is up, and then once you're ready, publish your store by signing up for a subscription and set it live. But remember, once you sign up for your trial, you've got 2 weeks to learn everything. I hope this tutorial that I've created for you has taken a bit of the negative spin on creating a business out and made it simpler for you to understand how to set up a Shopify store for yourself. It's really not that hard, and I highly recommend you get started right away. Look in the description below, there's an affiliate link. I think that it's taken me quite a lot of time and effort to create this tutorial for you, and I'm not charging you a cent. But if you do decide to support me, click the affiliate link in the description box below, get a trial with Shopify, and get your business set up. I'd like you to also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get further notifications for when I post anything new to do with Shopify. I do plan to do a whole lot more to help you further along. Hope you enjoyed this, hope you got something out of it, and I hope to see that you've created your own business using Shopify and Oberlo.